Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Open Liveboard and sign in with your chosen method. Create or join a board immediately. Once done, name the board so you can find it later and choose permissions for collaborators. Make sure to allow notifications if you want live updates, then tap the Create button to initialize a whiteboard session. You'll see the toolbar at the top. Select the pen to make a quick mark and confirm that strokes appear smoothly to verify input is working. Now focus on composing content and inviting others. Draw with the pen or shape tool while adjusting thickness and color to emphasize key points. Once your layout feels right, import images or PDFs. Place and lock them so students can't accidentally move critical diagrams. Next, open Share, copy the invite link or send emails to participants, and assign editor or viewer roles depending on access needs. Finally, use the pointer and laser mode to guide attention, while collaborators annotate in real time. Finish strong by exporting your board as a PDF or PNG and saving a copy to cloud storage for distribution. Once done, optionally record the session or enable replay so participants can review the flow later. Verify audio and recording indicators are active. If something goes wrong, make sure to reload the board, check your internet connection, and clear the app cache before retrying. If lag persists, reduce image resolution or close other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.